Nash Enriquez, who has started in each and every game so far for Pasay. Faarito, open look from free. It's in to go.
Starting five that he thinks will be comfortable, but here it's a good start coming from Christian Fajarito.
Rafgo off the dribble. Former Gilas youth member, Lawrence Victoria and Warren Bonifacio. Prior to that window, as Bulbul de la Cruz with a one-hander, labang ang Pasay 7-3.
But it's the same system that's being put in by Coach Marlon Martin. Not just the same system, it's the same culture that we have all respected the last few years, and here they are.
Steve Nash, ang Coach M effect, was when he reached a point early this season that he felt down going against the elite point guards. No? Hindi daw niya mahanap yung laro niya.
And whenever we talk about Coach M, grabe ang taas ng respeto nila. And I think he coached LSGH for a time. Even my friend Mikey Reyes, who every time they talk about Coach M.
Game 3 at home in Nueva Ecija, which unfortunately they lost. But prior to that, si Ryan Costello, trinabaho din niya kung nasan siya ngayon. And Nash Enriquez
for the National University. But seeing him a little down just made me a little bit confused as we see that beautiful move by Miko Laban.
Jello Santiago. De La Cruz comes away with a steal. King Ortiza, balik kay Moon. Pinasa sa labas. Santiago, tumalaksak, lays it in.
Jello Santiago, Nash Enriquez with 3 as well. National University guys, just very comfortable in the system of Coach Marlon Martin.
Rafgo with a free, but it's been the shooting numbers that have been the problem so far. Just 32.7% from the field. Coach Denok is also part of that.
I
coaching
forgot.
staff.
I've always been used to Coach Denok being part of the FEU staff.
Santiago on the right side. Cyril on target from downtown. Mintis yung tira ni Martel. Tatakbo ang Bacolod. Lim. Behind the back, Dangiwan will score underneath. Santiago tracks down the miss. Hilario, catch and shoot. Lista mo na yan. 5 on the shot clock. Giab. Bumuelo. Count it plus a foul against Brian Hilario. Manliguez fires a pass to Jello Santiago. Extra feed. Gonzalez to beat the buzzer. No good. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter.